Battle for third and second placer. Team Jobs versus Team Dennis. Let's the game begin. Team Jobs versus Team Dennis. Third game officials, Mark Marisigan and Kuya Alex. And for our time operator, Kuya Libe.
Hello, Kiefer.
Kiefer Ali.
Yes,
Team Jobs versus Team Dennis. Battle for third. Jobs versus Edgardo. Christopher Carrigan, Sola Casu, Jorge La Casa, Nobu Lilang, bye. 2 points by Edgardo Zarcon. 2 points for the Team Dennis. Carlo Casu, Genesis Colin. To Ryan Mosquera. Carlo Pasu Job Suraya. No good. Rebound by Martin Lenya. 2 points by Edgardo Zarcon. 9 points by the team Dennis. Carlo Pasu RA Tan to Ryan Mascara. First personal foul. Christopher Carcasona of the team Dennis.
Good, Christopher pala.
No basket from Ryan Mascara. No good. Rebound by Carcasona. Pasu Azarcon. Rebound by Carlo. To Jobson Diasa. Second personal foul. Christopher Carcasona. Free throw from Jobson Diasa. One basket from Dogs. 4 points for the team Dogs. Another one basket from Jobson Diasa. Carcasona pass to Jordi Lacasa. To Ed Azarcon for 2 points. R.A. Khan. Pass to Ryan Mascara. Back to R.A. No good. Rebound by Carcasona. Official score 11 points Team Dennis and 5 points Team Dogs. Azarcon pasok patalan to Lacasa. To Carcasona for 2 points. 13 points Team Dennis. Outside ball. Carcasona pass to Zonji. No good. Rebound by Carlo Delantara. Lacasa to Azarcon. Rebound by Carlo Azarcon. 16 points for the team Dennis. R.A. Tan. No good. Rebound by Christopher Carcasona. To Azarcon. To Catalan to Azarcon. No good. Rebound by Carcasona. No good. Catalan for 2 points. 18 points for the team Dennis. Aritan Pasu Goli. 2 points by Aritan. 7 points for the team Dogs. Change 5. Martin Yulia Pasu Zoto Catalan. No good. Rebound by 9 points for the team Jones versus 20 points for the team Dennis. No good, rebound by Kenya. No good, rebound by Jobsan Diasa. Jones for 2. 11 points for the team Jones. Carcassonne pass to Betal Curly to Azarcon. No good, rebound by Dennis. Rebound by Jobsan Diasa. Jones pass to Ryan Mosquera for 2 points. 13 points for the team. Jones. Time out by the team Dennis. For basketball and volleyball court rental, you may contact us or leave us a message through MSD and JVP Videos and Photography. Please come and join us in our upcoming MSD Basketball League Season 4. Back to the ball game. Alright, time passes Jobsan Diasa. Back to RA2 Genesis College. Go good, rebound by Georgie. To Jojo Catala. Jojo for 2. 22 points for the team Dennis. Genesis pass to Ryan Mosquera. No good. Masarcon pass to La Casa. Georgie La Casa. Pass to Dennis Fecalpuri. Back to Georgie. No good, rebound by Jones. Jen Mosso to Mosquera for 2. 15 points for the team Jones. Georgie for 2. 24 points for the team Dennis. Jobsan Diasa. No good. Rebound by Carcassonne. Pass to Dennis. Dennis for 2. 26 points for the team Dennis versus 15 points for the team Jones. Genesis golden pass to Ryan Mosquera to Jobsan Diasa. No good. Rebound by Ryan. Steal by Georgie to Jojo. Azarcon at Garland to Carcassonne to Ed. No good. Rebound by Carcassonne. No good. Jet Mosso. First personal foul. Azarcon pass to Dennis. To Carcassonne. Official score 26 points Team Dennis versus 15 points Team Jones. Mosquera to Mozo for 2. 17 points for the Team Jones. Dennis pass to Edgardo. Azarcon pass pass to Arita. To Ryan Mosquera. Pass to and the first quarter in favor of the team Dennis with 26 points versus 17 points for the team Jaws. For basketball and volleyball court rental, you may leave us a message or contact us through MSD and JVP Videos and Photography. Please come and join us in our upcoming MSD Basketball League Season 4. Hello to Mr. Andrew Leggett and Miss Desiree. Thank you for joining our one-day basketball league. Back to the podium. Dennis Ventacurin pass to Milky Fernandez. To Carcassona to Dennis. Back to Christopher to Dennis. For 2 points by Dennis. 28 points for the team Dennis versus 17 points for the team John. First personal foul, Dennis Ventacurin. Arita pass to Ryan Mosquera. Back to RA. No good. Rebound by Milky Fernandez. Pass to Ed Azarcon. Rebound by Jet Mozo. Pass to Carlo. Oops. Steal by Carcassona. Carlo, okay ka na? Who's foul? First personal foul, Jobson Diasa. No basket from Carcassona. No basket. Rebound by Jet Mozo. Pass to Jobson Diasa. Sound. Dennis. Pass to Edgardo Zarcon for 2 points. 30 points for the team Dennis versus 17 points for the team Jones. Carlo Delancar pass to Ryan Mosquera. Rebound by Azarcon. To Milky Fernandez. To Mark Penilia. Dennis. No good. Rebound by Carlo. Outside ball. Mark Penilia pass to Christopher Carcassona. To Dennis Ventacurin to Edgardo Zarcon. No good. Rebound by Dennis. Milky to Dennis. To Mark. To Christopher. Christopher Carcasona for 2. 32 points for the team Dennis. Edgardo Azarcon. To Dennis. Dennis for 2 points. 34 points for the team Dennis. Carlo has to jet back to Carlo Delanta. Carlo for 2 points. 19 points for the team Dogs. Steal by Carlo. Carlo, okay ka lang ha? One basket for Carlo. 20 points for the team Dogs. Another one. Free throw. No basket. Rebound by Christopher Carcasona. Pass to Jordi Lacasa. Georgie. Pass to Mark Penuya. No good. Jobs to Areta, no good. 2 points by Jobs. 22 points for the team Jobs. Versus 34 points for the team Dennis. Mark Penuya. No good. Dennis. Minutes and 24 seconds. Jobs at the Asa pass to Ryan Mosquera. Rebound by Penila Paso. Carcasona to Lacasa to Vetalpuri. No good. First personal foul, Ryan Mosquera. Free throw from Dennis Vetalpuri. No basket from Dennis. One basket from Dennis. 35 points for the team Dennis versus 22 points for the team Dogs. Outside ball. Zero 7, Simeon. Third personal foul, Christopher Carcasona. Azarcon to Dennis. For 2 points. 37 points for the team Dennis. Jobs pass to Carlo. Carlo to Jet Mozo. Dennis pass to Jojo Catala. Give me 3 points. No good. Rebound by Carcasona. Carcasona to Azarcon. Remark. 3 points. 37, 30, 40 points for the team. Dennis. Genesis Golin. Pass to Ryan Mascara. Rebound by Jobs for 2 points. 26 points for the team Jobs. Joining to Mark Penilla. To Edgardo Zarco, no good. Rebound by Genesis Golin. Pass to Jobs. 2 points by Jobs. 28 points for the team Jobs. Versus 40 points for the team Dennis. John D. to Mark. To Edgardo, 42 points. 42 points for the team Dennis. 23 seconds left. Whose team on the third placer? And whose team for the second placer? Ryan Mascara pass to Jack Nozo. Congratulations to Team Dennis for our second placer, and congratulations to our Team Jobs in third placer. Be ready to